Chapter 30
Melodies. In this chapter, you will learn about music is an art form produced by singing or playing instruments in different styles or types. 1. Pop. A
Genre
popular music that originated in its modern form during the mid 1950s in the United States and the United Kingdom. 2. Reggae. It is a music
Genre
that originated in Jamaica in the late 1960s. The term also denotes the modern popular music of Jamaica and its diaspora. 3. Rap. It's a musical form of vocal delivery that incorporates rhyme, rhythmic speech, and street vernacular. It is performed or chanted usually over a backing beat or musical accompaniment. 4. Heavy metal. This is a
genre
of rock music that developed in the late 1960s and early 1970s, largely in the United Kingdom and United States. With roots in blues, rock, psychedelic rock, and acid rock, the band developed a thick, monumental sound characterized by distorted guitars, extended guitar solos, emphatic beats, and loudness. 5. Rhythm and blues. A style of music that developed after World War II that combines elements of pop, gospel, blues, and jazz with a strong backbeat. 6. Rock. This is a broad
genre
popular music that originated as rock and roll in the United States in the late 1940s and early 1950s, developing into a range of different styles from the mid 1960s, particularly in the United States and United Kingdom. 7. Country. This music is known for its ballads and dance tunes, also known as honky tonk music, with simple form,
folk
lyrics, and harmonies accompanied by instruments such as banjos, fiddles, harmonicas, and many types of guitars, including acoustic, electric, steel, and resonator guitars. 2. Indian classical music. 1. Rag. In Sanskrit, a rag means something that colors your mind. Within Indian classical music system, a rag has the power to create very specific emotions in one's mind. A range of emotions such as joy, sadness, happiness, romance, yearning, devotion, and more can be expressed through rags. 2. Tal. It means a clap, tapping one's hand or one's arm, a musical measure. It is a term used in Indian classical music similar to musical meter, that it is any rhythmic beat or strike that measures musical time. The measure is typically established by hand clapping, waving, touching, fingers on thighs, or the other hand verbally striking of small cymbals or a percussion instrument in the Indian subcontinental tradition. 3. Antara. It is the secondary theme of a vocal performance. It is equivalent to a verse in Hindustani classical music. 4. Alap is a dialogue between the musician and the rag. It reflects the depth, the temperament, creativity, and training of the musician. 5. Khayal. It is a major form of Hindustani classical music in the Indian subcontinent. Its name comes from a Persian or Arabic word meaning imagination. It is associated with romantic poetry and allows the performer greater freedom of expression than Dhrupad. 6. Bhajan. It refers to any devotional song with a religious theme or spiritual ideas, specifically among Indian religions in any language. 7. Dhrupad. This is a genre in Hindustani classical music from the Indian subcontinent. It is the oldest known style of major vocal styles associated with Hindustani classical music, Haveli Sangeet of Pushti Marg Sampradaya, and also related to the South Indian Carnatic tradition.